Starting over on the stupid ass videos. I'm sick and tired of this, but yeah, that's me. But most likely didn't notice. I pulled down most of the carburetor plating or recoloring process videos. I felt that I was pretty arrogant in my actions. A lot of people doing some really nice stuff, really good stuff. So therefore, I can't assume that I know it all. The only thing that the only thing that I can say is I've shared a shit ton of footnotes over a process of 3 years. These are double sided. I have more that are laminated for quick reference. Um, yeah, I guess the only thing that upset me about that is, regretfully, I've shared a lot of that legwork. I dug deep. I'm talking 20 years ago on the interweb, and like a dipshit, I've shared all that stuff, and a lot of times I get like no reply or no thank you, or I get a thumbs up. It's like that shit really irritates the hell out of me. So I give back what I get. If I post anything on these plating or whatever to try to bring to the system or to the community helpful hints, such as this bowl plating thing, and it's not even my idea. The only thing that was difference is that I perfected it for my needs. I don't want to say perfected it. I'm a plug and play person. I want it to work 100% correctly. Everything should be very quick hookup within seconds. Done deal, and it should be ready to set up. That's how I set things up. So that being said, after a while, I've recovered these danglers that I have for the bowl plater. Once those become, full of the zinc, and then I switch them over to this setup and allow it to be my anode. The thing I want to cover on here is a while back I had zinc wire that was doing basically I was using the Caswell containers, burning solder hole or using a soldering iron, burning drain holes in them, and I have a huge amount of those ignats that's going to go a long ways. So rather than burn through all those zinc plates that I was burning through, I'm just using these. So I had to figure out a way to use them. Typically, you hang a titanium basket in there. Well, I didn't see any difference in this application. I just bought 100% titanium wire. I forget what gauge it was, but double spun it, hang it throughout the container so it's continuity. So you have continuity, and then hang as such. I've been doing that for about a year now, using those up. You run a little bit higher amperage. This bath needs a brightener in a big way. So I'm waiting on those chemicals, but I can still get the job done due to a nitric dip. There's stuff that I've added for certain processes. I'm not even going to get into that either, but don't overthink. This is just your eBay power supply, 30 volt. I think it's 10 amp. I had planned. I still do quite a bit of it, but as far as the casting coloring, it's still doing pretty well. I'm still changing processes and such, but I'm coming up with my own system. But I can only focus on so much, and when I'm into lots of different things, so I mainly wanted to capitalize on I would call it a hack, the titanium wire and the containers, and then talk about the danglers for your bowl plate. I don't foresee myself getting a barrel plater in the sense that I feel this is doing the same thing on the cheap. So So I'm just going to continue with that. But yeah, yeah, I apologize for taking all those casting videos down, but I didn't see any kind of return, and you're just giving away information at that point. Nobody seemed to want to give me information. Some people get told, all the answers, and then they're handheld, and then some, like myself, I get told go figure it out. Well, I do that. So kind of done with that whole thing, and I'm on my own. And not going to say that I'm great at it, but I can hold my own. That's about it. Thanks.